Should be a cool lineup right here. You just got mine chilling right here in the back. We got a boosted 9th gen, which looks sick. Should be chilling, so let's go ahead and check this out.
A lot of things that be fucking like, they push. Because, yeah.
You know, I cleaned it yesterday, bro. It looks dirty.
Damn, dude. What'd you clean it with? Oh, shit, okay. You're running the bigger turbo, right?
Yeah.
What turbo are you running?
Rv6.
Oh, the Rv6 one?
You know what? You could see the badge from under there.
Oh,
I
okay.
never knew that until right now.
I just saw the Rv6 Performance right here. That's why I was like, dude, I want to get in touch with it. I want to look into getting one for mine.
Yeah.
I ended up getting the Rv6 Downpipe and Frontpipe. Dude, that thing's so nice on it.
The only shitty part is the turbo lag.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, because it's a bigger turbo, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It kicks in until probably like 45.
Oh, 45?
But it kicks it hard, huh?
I mean, I'm pretty much on a base map since I had a big. I know.
No, I'm curious because I'm trying to get a license plate relocator for mine.
I don't bring out the baby, dude. Huh? I'm gonna check out the baby.
How much are you pushing?
I'm still retuning.
Really? Okay.
I'm on I'm probably on like a base map right now because since the PPG gears.
Okay.
So the PPG gears, because it's like a different gear ratio.
Yeah.
It fucks with the speedometer. So
That's what Andrew was telling
I
me.
was reading like half, a little like. So I would be going 80, like 80, but it would read like 36.
Is there a fix for it?
Yeah, I fixed it already.
Okay.
Converter box.
How much does that go for?
$100.
Oh, okay.
It's the $100, but you just have to like wire it to speed sensors down there.
Jesus, all right.
You wired it yourself too?
No.
Oh, okay.
Louis did.
Are you on E85?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, not right now. I'm on 91.
91?
Base map.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my Perrin kit through today.
Yeah.
Who are you tuning with?
D-Rock.
Oh, shoot, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, E-tune?
Yeah. Yeah. I already E-tuned with him once before I got the turbo. But that was faster because, I mean, I didn't even have the built transmission yet.
Dude, I heard a lot of people, when they go big turbo, they end up swapping back to stock if there's their daily driver because of the turbo lag.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was that high.
Huh?
I didn't know it was that high.
Yeah. Like,
But I mean, when it kicks in, right?
right now, on like a base map on 91, like, you feel it, but it's not, it's like...
It's not as crazy.
Does it feel like completely different from stock right now, or just?
So, if I were to like, just go like 3,000 RPM and step on it, like, it's gonna go slow.
Does it?
My name is Antonio Castillo, and today we are at a Honda cruise. We are racing out with all these Hondas. Ora. Look at all these chismosos over there. And they said girls are bad. Look at them all chismeando. Oh shit. Gotta turn off the camera. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
This is probably would have been like the perfect time to buy a stabilizer, guys. But late introduction, guys. Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be doing a canyon run. Just gonna be driving through the canyons with a couple boys, and I met a couple of you guys already here. So shout out to everybody that came out, and let's go ahead and check this out. My first time at Angeles Crest. As to be honest, this literally is my first time here. I've always wanted to come here, and what's a better time to come with a bunch of Civics? We got the Lawnmower 3000, boys. Let's go. We got stuck behind a van. Oh shit. Expecting this. I thought we were going for a cruise. This is a freaking canyon run. You could smell the E85. All right. Oh shit, okay. I gotta drive this for Hector though. It's like, no, but I got a lawnmower.
Got rice?
Fuck you. Not as much commentary. Ooh! I heard somebody give a round of applause real quick. Bop!
We're behind a car.
Are we? That was. Oh yeah, we are. That's the Civic, babe. That's the leader.
Oh.
I actually don't know how far we're going.
Me neither.
Like, ya te despertaste, güey, ¿verdad?
Whatever. No shit.
It's like when you're on a roller coaster, yeah. Oh, that's why. It's okay, car, you can do it. I've never pushed you this hard before, and this was unexpected. You didn't even stretch your legs. Oh, look at the famous rocks. I don't know what rocks those are, but they look cool.
I know. It's like picture time.
Guys, this is pretty fun. We got like maybe 8 10th gen Civics, maybe 9. I don't remember. You got one S2000. You got a 9th gen that's boosted. You got a Honda Accord. Dude, if I did this in my 8th gen, it would have definitely been Rub City. But that would have been hella fun. Oh shit! That's why they were closed. That's unfortunate. Damn, dude. Ooh, that turn right there looks like a Hot Wheels track. And the fact that there's sometimes more than them, babe.
That's crazy.
I can see why they wanted to come here and not the PCH.
Yeah. Are your tires up?
Yeah. I still have plenty of grip. Oh shit. So this was gated?
Yeah, I
okay.
guess so. So then you have to go back up.
Yeah, it looks like it.
What time are we going to the other event?
Who?
Us.
Melissa? Oh, when we're done. We'll probably be there around 12. I could smell everyone's brakes. That's someone's clutch. I hope it's not mine. Watch. Hey guys, next video, my clutch is slipping. I should have left my windows up because now dirt got in here. But this was nice. I was not expecting this. Yeah. Dude, that was dope.
Whose car was popping? Was it yours?
I think so.
Or was it?
I think it was the sedan in front of me.
I don't know. I thought it was you.
I mean, mine pops one, and that one was making
Because someone
popcorn
was
the whole
popping. I
time.
couldn't tell if it was coming from behind me or in front of me. You were behind me the entire time.
Yeah,
So it might have been him.
That shit
Oh.
was quick. My shit never pops either.
Mine popped only when
Like maybe like tiny.
Dude, that shit was nice, dude. Is that the arc exhaust?
Yeah.
Fucking hey, dude, that looks clean.
Like, here we go.
It sounds nice too.
Yeah, it sounds really good.
It's cool. It feels nice.
Oh yeah.
It's just
Catalyst downpipe.
Catted downpipe? That's why. I'm catted, that's why.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
With I had a catted
has
downpipe
its own
on with the
traction
same
control
exhaust
and
setup. It almost sounded OEM.
Really?
Yeah.
Catalyst is more pops?
Yeah.
Fuck, I might have to. No, never mind. I'm cool. I'm cool. I already got it. As soon as we hit the canyon, I was like, oh shit, second gear, let's go.
I know, that tunnel came up out of nowhere.
Yeah, dude. That tunnel came out of nowhere. I was like, oh fuck.
Even like brake tire switch.
Oh shit.
Oh, dude. My tires are crying.
Yeah, on my stock tires they were like squeaking,
They were like,
but on
what
these
the
ones they're not
fuck
at all.
are you
well, when I was
doing?
on stocks. Here, there was a couple like times that stocks.
I'm sure you guys saw it. You guys saw that Benz over there that was crashed?
Yeah.
Dude.
I thought it just happened too.
Nah, it looks like it's recent. Like, I mean, it's like it's been there for a good bit. Yeah, I got Indies and I heard no squeaks at all.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like zero squeaks.
I gotta look into. I was looking into those as my next set.
Yeah, Indies. I've had no issues with the tires. The installers, yeah, but what's it called? I had some fucking issues with the installers.
Really?
I had to go back a couple times, like 3 times, because I kept leaking air in different tires.
Oh, that's not good.
And they were like, "Oh, it's unbeating." I'm like, "Yeah, because you guys suck."
Because you guys suck at putting tires on.
Yeah, dude, it was annoying.
Dude, this was really sick and unexpected. I did not think that that's how this was gonna go down. Hector, you needed to come to this cruise. Victor, you needed to come to this one. This would have been sick. This one would have been a good one. Like, dude, look at this. Babe, look at this road. Like, you know shit goes down here. You wanna know how? Because they have the signature tire marks right there. Where's your boy at?
Apparently he pulled over. I didn't even
Yeah, he pulled over. That's why I was like, oh, hopefully he's okay. Damn, dude, you trust this shit?
Bro. No!
Oh, te van a matar, güey.
Wow.
They're gonna kill you.
Wow.
Hey, but on the bright side, it's gonna smell fresh.
Bro.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I went from full bolt-ons to boosted like.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good, Tony.
Joe.
Joe, nice.
We talked.
We were talking. Dude, if I knew that was you parked right next to me, I would have said hi.
I didn't get out because my son is asleep, and the moment I open the door, he wakes up.
Oh,
so
okay.
like literally, he hears the crack of the door. He's like, "What?" And I'm like, so we try to keep him in the car as much as we can.
Gotcha.
When he's out, he likes to run around.
Oh no, that makes. I mean,
Yeah.
totally makes sense, man.
No.
Is this the beast you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
It's all dirty right now, but.
Hey man, it's all good. Nothing but a good Photoshop can help with. Dude, I love your headlights.
Thank you.
Low key, this is making me miss my 8th gen because I had similar setup like that. Red shrouds, white LEDs. What do you got on it?
Garrett 3076. Skunk 2 with the spacer.
Okay.
Stock engine, stock trans. I have a stage 3 ultraweight clutch.
You got leg day every day with that?
Huh?
You get leg day every day with that, dude?
It's not a daily.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you're good then. You're good. You're good.
I only pull it out for like roll nights.
Ah, gotcha.
Yeah.
Dude,
And
this
then,
is nice.
A hybrid shifter cables. Fully 85.
Oh.
1500 cc injectors.
Can you say you're making 450 wheel?
450 wheel.
Oof.
Yeah.
Ah, there you go. What do you got? A Porsche, Ferrari, and an S2K. Fully caged.
Wide angle lens when I saw it was 280. Really? Are you ready for that kind of life?
Oh, the Camry though.
Super quiet.
You hear the hybrid in it.
I know.
All right, well, bringing it back home. Dude, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm like pretty red. Like my arm, I don't know how I'm gonna look like the next couple days. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the first vlog right here. This is definitely gonna be like a 2-part vlog, maybe 3, depending on how much footage I have, because I don't want to make a 45-minute video. So the cruise was dope. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. That gave me an idea of what to expect whenever I decide to do a meet. Because the Angeles Crest, for my first time being there, that was sick. So I do want to go back to that. So anyways guys, I will see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.